Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says synthetic polymer which resembles natural rubber is chloroprene, glyptal, nylon or neoprene. So looking at the question, I see that the key concept for this question that we will do is the polymers. The question is from the topic polymers. So, in this question, it is asked which synthetic polymer resembles the natural rubber. So, first I will draw the structure of the natural rubber. Natural rubber is nothing but a polymer of 2-methyl bute 1, 3 diene. So it is just a polymer of bute 2-methyl bute 1, 3 diene. So it is an addition polymer, and if I draw the structure, it is this is the structure of natural rubber, and it is known as isoprene. Okay, it is a product of addition polymerization. Now, if I look at the other options that I have been given, first one is the chloroprene. If I draw the structure of chloroprene, it is this is the structure of chloroprene. Chloroprene is nothing but a monomer. It is not a polymer, it is a monomer. So obviously it is not a polymer, so it cannot resemble natural rubber. So my first option is incorrect. The second one is the glyptal. Glyptal is a polymer of ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. It is a polyester. I will draw the structure of glyptal. So this is the structure of the polymer glyptal. As I told earlier that glyptal is a polymer formed by ethylene glycol and phthalic acid, and as you all can see, because there is this linkage present in the polymer, this is a polyester. Okay, and if we see the natural rubber, there is no such linkage in the natural rubber. That is the structure of isoprene. So my glyptal is also the incorrect answer. Coming to the next, that is the structure of nylon. Nylon has this structure. This is the structure of nylon 6. Now you see nylon 6 is a polyamide because it has the linkage NH and a C double bond O. So it is a polyamide, whereas my isoprene does not have any such linkage. So nylon is also the incorrect answer. Natural rubber does not resemble nylon. Now coming to neoprene. Neoprene is nothing, it is a polymer of chloroprene. So I will draw the structure of neoprene. So this is the structure of neoprene. And as you can see, the structure of neoprene resembles the structure of isoprene. Neoprene is formed by chloroprene only. Chloroprene is the monomer for neoprene, which is a synthetic rubber. Here you see in the structure of isoprene, there is a double bond linkage. The same structure, carbon double bond carbon linkage, is present in the case of neoprene also. What is the difference between isoprene and neoprene? That is the branch present. In isoprene, the branch is of CH3 group, whereas in neoprene, the branch is of Cl group. So both resemble each other. The only difference is in the branch. Therefore, the correct answer to the question is option 4, neoprene. I hope you all understood the question.